Hey there, you're watching Amitha Verma. Now I'm here to tell you the Verma family is a family full of romantics. My younger boys love cuddling up with me, watching romantic comedies, and making sweet treats to celebrate the feeling of romance that comes around during this time of year. If you love the idea of romance and romantic decor, you're gonna love this episode because I'm gonna share with you today 7 ways that you can bring romance into your home with your home decor and do it in the French country farmhouse style. The first way that you can bring the romance into your home is with your tabletop decor. This tip was actually inspired by my father. One day my dad decided, why do I have an everyday set and this beautiful china set that I saved for one special day for one special person? And on that day, he declared to me, I'm that special person and every day is a special day. So he started using our beautiful china set for his everyday meals. So that's why I'm so excited about this beautiful new collection that we've brought into the shop of vintage-inspired decorative glassware. These are glasses and pitchers that you can use in your everyday dishware, but they remind me of a very romantic yesteryear style of dinnerware. If you're worried about it being too much pink, you can easily mix this up with some beautiful pale blue, some darker purple tones, some silver that you may already have, or some gorgeous antique Mercury style glass. If you love this concept, I want you to really pay attention to this category of tabletop decor because there are so many ways that you can bring the romance in with this style of decor. This could be with your runners, your tablecloths, your centerpiece bowls, your silverware, the florals you're gonna put into some of these centerpieces, and so much more. And the best part of the tabletop decor is it's functional for your everyday usage, so you can feel the romance and enjoy this style of decor for months to come. Speaking of centerpieces, this is another great way to bring in the romance in a consolidated way on your dining table or perhaps your kitchen island or your breakfast table. Now I encourage you to look for beautiful bowls, Compote bowls, and vases that you can use to simply arrange a beautiful collection of flowers that make you feel the romance in your home. Whether that be blushy tones or deeper reds and fuchsias, whatever inspires you, bring that into your centerpiece and vase collections this season. If that's too complicated, you can simply pull out one of your pitchers that you use for water or margaritas and use that to house the flowers that you simply go pick up at your local grocery store. Don't make it complicated. Find 2 different styles that are in season, in the climate where you live, and simply arrange them in your pitcher to create an effortless arrangement in your home. On the note of keeping it simple, this next tip is going to be a fun one for you, and that is a vintage painting of florals. Now I know this sounds kind of silly, but I love looking for these, especially in a smaller scale, so I can use them to sprinkle throughout my home and my office. Whenever the spring season comes around or the season for romance, I love swapping out some of my darker floral artwork, believe it or not, for something a little bit lighter with the blush and blue tones that I love seeing in my office and my home. The best part of looking for something on a smaller scale is you can simply place it on an easel and have it be a very simple project. So you're not removing things off your wall and rehanging all the time. Now, if you're a bit of a procrastinator when you're putting your holiday decor away, I want to share with you a great tip for when you're looking for new decor pieces to bring into your collection. I love looking for heart-shaped or ex-voto-shaped ornaments and holiday decor because these are pieces that you can easily leave out from December all the way through the spring to bring in that feeling of romance in your home. Another way that you can bring romance into your style, into your home decor, is with the use of very beautiful, unique mirrors. Now, whenever I'm working on a project or antiquing, my eyes are always drawn to very beautiful, unique mirrors. Mirrors with carved details, roses, scrolling, gilt work, carvings, and I love the romance that those pieces have in and of itself. So I be sure to snag as many as I can find, and then I use them strategically in smaller places to create that romantic, cozy feeling. So this might be right as you pass by your back door, or in a powder room, or a small wall that you want to create an effect with your decor. And last but not least, a couple of other easy ways that you can bring in the romance into your home this season is with your home decor. Now this could be a pair of beautiful blush toned pillows that you can add to your sofa, your bed, or a side chair, or maybe some beautiful blush lavender tone decor pieces like a gorgeous box, or even this charming set of Staffordshire dogs, or maybe a vintage needlepoint rug with some florals on them and those same blush tones, or last but not least, simply some paper napkins that you can add to your tabletop in your everyday dining to bring in that charm and romance. I hope you enjoyed these tips. Now, all of the tips I shared with you today are very beautiful, but low commitment and easy to do tips that are completely functional for your everyday living, which is what I love about all of them the most. And now I want to hear from you. How are you adding romance into your home this season? If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. That helps me know that you enjoy seeing this type of content. Then when you're done, be sure to hit the subscribe or the follow button, and then click or ring the bell so you don't miss another one of our inspiring episodes. After that, I want you to head over to my blog where you can sign up to receive your free design newsletter and soak in endless hours of design tips that will help you create your dream home. Till the next time we meet, keep using your amazing gifts to create heart in your home. I love these gorgeous rose-colored vintage floral etched style glassware that, let me say it over again, I got a little, a lot of F. One of my favorite ways to bring the romance is with a, sorry, I lost my train of thought. Do I hear music all of a sudden? Kind of hear it. I was about to press start, but I'm gonna